So today I'm going to talk about the SURE model and how it fits into my lesson plan. So this lesson is designed for 10th graders. Their ages range from 15 to 16 and they are mostly proficient in using digital technology. Many of them use technology for recreational purposes such as playing video games in their free time, as well as for educational purposes such as research and various other activities. So the majority of them are active learners, while a few of them are passive learners. They tend to enjoy activities that include writing and creating digital projects such as videos and online presentations. So as for state standards and objectives, so by the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify copyright infringement, determine whether an article falls under the fair use category, and find online resources to use and know how to use them properly in a project without worrying about copyright. So for select strategies and resources, I will use a variety of strategies and resources, some of which include a student-centered strategy that will allow the students to lead the discussion, and I will also use online resources such as educational videos and articles that will help students to better understand copyright and fair use. So there are so many great articles and from universities that have great information about copyright rules and fair use. There are also very, very many educational videos that go into detail about copyright and its rules. So for utilize resources, I will have resources such as laptops for the students to work on their project. I will also have the necessary programs needed for the students to complete the project. So I will have the online resources readily available so the student can view them anytime throughout the duration of the project. So that'll be on the board all the time on my projector. Anytime they want to see them, it'll be there. And then as well as the laptops that I'll be providing for the students, I will also have for the open-ended response question, I will have pencil and paper in case some kids aren't as comfortable using the laptops, because on the laptops kids will be also using Lockdown Browser as they are answering these questions, and so I understand that some kids aren't as proficient with the technology, and so I will have pencil and paper available for those students. So require learner participation. So I'll have various discussion questions that will encourage participation and allow for students to use their critical thinking skills. I will also have like little prizes too that encourages kids. If they raise their hand, they will get like a little candy, and that encourages kids to be vocal and participate in the discussion. And so we'll have a few little prizes throughout the discussion period. I will also put the students in groups of 4 and have them discuss copyright. I will give them different examples to examine to help aid their understanding of copyright rules and fair use. So the group discussion will encourage participation among their peers. So I will be walking around, listening to what they have to say, and if they need any help, I can always guide them in the right direction. And I feel as if group discussion is very important in a student's educational journey, as it allows them to hear from different people and hear their perspectives. So evaluate and revise. So the students will be assessed through a rubric and the 3 objectives and how well they know the copyright rules. So I'll evaluate the students on how well they answer the open-ended response and their knowledge on copyright and fair use. So the assignment rubric has 4 components, and the students will be graded on how well they answer the questions as well as their grammar and explanation. So there are various aspects to the rubric, but as long as the students answer the questions thoroughly and are able to provide a good explanation and then have good grammar and use complete sentences, then they will get full points for the open-ended response. And that is my presentation. Thank you.